what you just saw was the new Renault 2D logo. And what we have here with us also is the 2025 range of Renault cars. This includes the Triber and the Kiger. What are the changes to this newly launched 2025 range? Are there new features? Is there any change to the price list? We tell you all this, but stay tuned till the end of the video. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the CarWale YouTube channel. Let's start with the most affordable MPV that this country has to offer, which is the Renault Triber. For 2025, the Triber gets additional features such as power windows for all 4 doors and central lockings right from the base RXE variant. After the entry-level RXE that you just saw, this is the next RXL variant, and this one gets updates in the form of an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, rear speakers and a reverse parking camera as well. So what's the price difference, you ask? For this RXL variant with the 8-inch touchscreen system, you have to pay a premium of 20,000 rupees, which translates into an ex-showroom price of 7 lakh rupees. That said, there is also the top spec RXZ variant of the Triber, which is priced at 8.23 lakh rupees ex-showroom. That's all there is about the new 2025 Triber. Do you think it has become more value for money? Do let us know in the comment section below. Next up is the brand's sub-4 meter SUV, the Kiger. For 2025, it gets updates similar to the Triber, which include front power windows, rear power windows and central locking right from the RXE variant. The updates are also similar for the RXL variant, which includes an 8-inch touchscreen system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, reverse parking camera, but one thing that it does get over the Triber is steering mounted controls. There is a small update under the hood as well. You get the 1-liter naturally aspirated as well as the 1-liter turbocharged engines, which are now E20 compliant. This also means that the 1-liter naturally aspirated petrol motor has been updated in the Triber as well as the Kwid. Renault has rolled out not just a new logo or new cars, but also a whole new showroom concept called the R Show. This is the first of its kind not only in India but throughout the world. And yes, Renault plans to update its dealerships across the country, and these will be 100 of them ready by the end of the year. So that was all about Renault's 2025 range of cars. While we wait for the new Duster to arrive, do let us know your favorite Renault model and variant in the comment section below.